How to turn off silently on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings located on bottom left corner of your screen. After that, click on General Settings, which is the second option. Then in here, you'll find Silently above HDR effect and below Allow automatic refresh. To turn it off, make sure there's no red color on it and white circle is on the left side. And that's how to turn off silently on REDnote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.